In this video, I'll be showing you how to blur the background of your videos using CapCut editing application. Time will fail me to tell you the importance of blurring the background of your video using the editing application. One of it is that it will make your video look more appealing and more professional. Without wasting much of your time, let's go to the screen. Alright, this is how to blur the background of your video using CapCut editing application. This is the app. If you don't have it currently, kindly go to Play Store or Apple Store and have it downloaded and install it on your phone, okay? So once you get to this very particular place, new project on it, so click on it for me. It will take you to your gallery where you bring in the video that you want to blur the background with. You understand? So click on the video and then remember to click on this very add button to bring it to the editing interface proper, okay? So at this very interface, which is the editing application, this is the video that I just recorded for this very practical, okay? Please don't forget to share so that others will benefit from this. Remember, I've already made a video on how to blur the background of your video using InShot editing application. So this one is for CapCut editing application, and after this one I will still make an alternative video on how to blur the background of your video alternatively, okay? Stick to it and watch it to the end. Please remember to share. So once you get to this very editing interface like this, you have to highlight the video first. To highlight the video, you have to click any part of the video here, okay, to have it highlighted. You can see the white line circling the video bar, okay? It has been highlighted. The next thing at this very point is to head over to this very button here, effect, and have it clicked for me, okay? So clicking it for me will now take you to this very point. Then head over to video effect and have it clicked on. Then once you get to this very place, then swipe this one. You can see what I'm doing to the left hand side until you get to this very button here, lens. Once you get to this very place, then click on that very lens, allow it to load. Then the next thing which you need to do is to scroll up until you get to spot blur. This particular one, spot blur, click it for me. Then it will automatically apply that very blurring effect on the video. Then still click on it because now it has written adjust on it. Click on it to work on the intensity of the stuff. You can click on this very particular one, intensity and the glow rather, and color, to adjust the blurring and the coloring of the background, blurring background, okay? Let's take the intensity up to increase it. If you take it back, you will decrease it. So then increase the glow and also adjust the color of the background depending on what you want to achieve from the blurring background, okay? So once you are done with that, click on this check mark button here to activate the action. Do you understand? So then the next thing which you need to do, if you didn't see that spot blur, is to have this very video effect click. It will take you back to that very lens. Then alternatively, you can use galaxy blur. We saw it somewhere, that galaxy blur, and here is it. Galaxy blur and spot blur will give you a perfect blurring of your video background. So once you are done with that, you click on this check mark key here. Do you understand? Now then click on this small arrow here to return back. And so the moment you get to this very place, then the next thing is to click on this very export and have your video exported down to your gallery, and this is the end of it. Please, if you love this very tutorial, do well to give it a like and share so that others will benefit from this very free update we are giving here.